In this video, we're going to learn how to use hoshii in Japanese. Hoshii is an "い" adjective that means desirable or wanted. The basic pattern is noun ga hoshii. This means the speaker wants that noun. In English, we usually translate this as I want noun. For example, kimono ga hoshii means I want a kimono. Kaban ga hoshii means I want a bag. Now please note that kaban ga hoshii only means that I want that thing, the bag. But I want to buy a bag means I'm wanting to do the buying action. So in that case, we use that tai form and say kaban o kaitai. So please don't get confused with these two patterns. Now, since hoshii is an "い" adjective, we can make it formal or polite by adding desu. Kaban ga hoshii desu. Grammatically, this is polite, but culturally, hoshii is not used very often in formal situations. That's because hoshii directly expresses the speaker's personal desire, and in Japanese culture, that can sometimes sound kind of self-centered or a bit childish, depending on the situation. Now, another important point is that hoshii can only be used for the speaker's own feelings. So when I say tomodachi ga hoshii, I'm talking about what I want, and it's automatically understood as I want friends. Now, what if you want to say Shiro wants friends? You might be tempted to say Shiro wa tomodachi ga hoshii. But this is not correct because we can't use hoshii to directly describe other people's feeling. It's like we can't know exactly how other people feel inside. So if we want to talk about someone else's desire, we need a different expression. For example, if Shiro actually said she wants friends, we can simply say, Shiro said she wants friends. シロは友達が欲しいと言っていました。Or if Shiro's behavior shows she wants friends, we use 欲しがっています, which means the person is showing signs of wanting. In this pattern, we mark the object with お, so Shiro is showing the sign of wanting friends is シロは友達を欲しがっています。Let's look at more examples. I want a new camera. 新しいカメラが欲しい。Let's say it one more time. 新しいカメラが欲しい。I want stylish plates for my birthday. 誕生日におしゃれなお皿が欲しい。Let's say it one more time. 誕生日におしゃれなお皿が欲しい。Let's say you got a Japanese monster stuffed animal, but what you really wanted was a cat stuffed animal. In this case, you can use that past tense and say, 猫のぬいぐるみが欲しかった。Let's say it one more time. 猫のぬいぐるみが欲しかった。You can use 欲しい for things you can't see or touch, like love, freedom, power, time, information, and so on. For example, if you have a lot of things to do and you want more time, you can say もう少し時間が欲しい。Let's say it one more time. もう少し時間が欲しい。Let's say you got your flight information, but it only shows the time, so you want detailed information. 詳しい情報が 欲しい。Let's say it one more time. 詳しい情報が欲しい。Now let's look at natural conversation examples. 今何が欲しい？休みが欲しい。新しいカメラは欲しくない？新しいカメラも欲しい。写真撮りたい。